honored and delighted to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Chief Minister here today for the 7th COSAP conference. Along with Honorable Chief Minister, we have Sri Kalin Moyal, President, Bharatiya Janata Party, and we have our Honorable MLAs, Sri Okentai, Sri Oni Panyang, Sri Projit Kadu, and Sri Tapidaranji. And we have the newly elected Chief Councillor and the Deputy Chief Councillor and the ZPCs and all the Panchayat members and the councillors who are present here today. And also I acknowledge the presence of IG, Sri Jibu Tamaji, the Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police, and Commandant, Additional Deputy Commissioner, and most importantly, the President of COSAP, Sri Likatech, Secretary General, Sri Gonya Riva, and the President Women Wing, Srimati Leena Tabu, and guests from Assam, Nagaland, and delegates from all the districts, and other guests who are present here, and my media friends. First of all, I'd like to thank COSAP for making part of this beautiful event, which is the General Conference. And I hope after tomorrow you'll have a new executive body. So, my experience with the COSAP executive body, I would like to just speak few words. We are running short schedule. Still, I'll not take much time, but like I said, with the President and the woman President and the General Secretary, they had come to me in my office, telling me about the irregularities in the recruitment and a lot of issues in the department and the promotion which has happened in the education department. And I told them, just coming to me with a verbal request is not going to work. To act on it, we need something in black and white, so that we need to come with it. So they came in writing to me about the BEO appointments. So I said, see, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, like someone has already said, that we have zero tolerance policy against any kind of corruption. So we are here to help you, but when you come with a complaint and when we start acting on it, you should not succumb to the pressure of your peers, your colleagues, and come in again tell me, sir, by mistake we have given a complaint, we want to withdraw. But I must tell you, and I salute you, that you have stood by your word and you stood through and out. So we made it a point that all this irregular and illegal appointments were, cancelled. But it's different that it is in the court, but we are very sure that we will win the case. So I want to tell you, why am I telling you this incident? Because as a COSAP body, like you always say, the government has been very, very kind to you. Someone has said, even before you could think of it, the government has, fulfilled your request. And a long list of requests which you have made to the government, they have readily accepted. Just because you are one of the strongest pillar in the executive. Without your support, any executive cannot function properly. Like your former President Fateh Malik said, because you have to guide the government, because the file is rooted through the bottom. You are the one who should be scrutinizing all the papers and put it up to the government. So we expect that due diligence is there, honesty is there. Then only we will be able to give a good governance. Because the political leadership intentions are very clear. Political leadership's commitment is there, but until and unless we get support from down below, it becomes literally impossible to really work for the interest of the state and the people of the state. So while I say that, you have a lot of memorandum which has been again put it up to the government, or the Chief Minister will speak on that. But as a minister, my experience in the department, I would like to again make a request. We have a lot of departmental inquiries which happens in the department for the airing officers who had done some misappropriation or something wrong. But when we approved for a departmental inquiry. It happens so that our own, officers are not ready to, give a good report because कि मेरा कलीग है, मेरा अपना दोस्त है, वो क्या सोचेगा? And that becomes a big hindrance, for us to take appropriate action against the officers and the government employees who are not performing well and who try to twist the rules and try to get away with it. So मेरा तरफ से आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपको जब सरकार इतना आपको मदद कर रहा है, with the expectation that you will also, give back to the government in the larger interest of the state, तो आप लोगों को करना चाहिए. तो जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि सरकार आप लोगों को इतना दे रहा है और आप लोग भी उसी तरीके से रेस्पॉन्ड करना है, तो इफ यू ऑल डोंट माइंड एक छोटा सा कहानी बोलना चाहूँगा. टेक इट विद अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट, इसको आप ज़्यादा लिटरली और गहराई से मत लो. व्हाई एम आई सेइंग दिस? क्योंकि इस पर थोड़ा सा आपका जो आज का जितना भी आपने यहाँ में मेमोरेंडम रखा, आपने जो कहानी सुना है उसी लाइन पे है. When I was a student of class 11, तो हमारा हॉस्टल नहीं होता है, तो वी वर पुट अप विद द टीचर्स. तो टीचर के साथ हम लोग मेस शेयर करता था. तो मेस में हमारा एक टीचर था, मेस में जितना भी अच्छा खाना देने से हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कंप्लेन करता रहता. तो मेस मैनेजर परेशान हो गया, हम लोग जितना भी अच्छा खाना देते हैं तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कंप्लेन करते रहता है. तो वन डे दे थॉट कि नहीं, हम लोग ऐसा खाना खिलाएगा इसको कि ये कंप्लेन करना आज से बंद हो जाए. तो उस दिन पूरा चिकन बनाया, मटन बनाया, अच्छा सब्जी बनाया, पूरा एकदम द बेस्ट पॉसिबल खाना उस दिन लंच में खिलाया. तो आया, पूरा खा के इसके बाद बोला, खाना तो बहुत अच्छा बना लेकिन थोड़ा घी होने से और अच्छा था. तो ये नहीं होना आप लोगों का, है ना? तो क्योंकि सरकार का अपना एक लिमिटेशन होता है, सरकार को हर किसी का देखना पड़ेगा. इट्स अ वेलफेयर गवर्नमेंट, वी हैव टू सी एवरी सेक्टर. आपको एम्प्लॉयज का भी ख्याल रखना है, स्टेट का भी ख्याल रखना है, डेवलपमेंट का भी ख्याल रखना है, अपना पॉलिटिकल जो हमारा एमएलए का भी ख्याल रखना है. तो सब मिलजुल के साथ चलेगा तभी तो हमारा स्टेट आगे बढ़ेगा. तो आप मायोपिक नहीं होना है, आप अपना एकदम सेल्फ सेंट्रिक नहीं होना है. व्हाइल यू प्लेस योर डिमांड, आप थोड़ा सा आगे सोच के देखना है कि मेरा डिमांड की वजह से किसी और को भी नुकसान तो नहीं हो रहा है. तो हमको सबको मिलजुल के चलना पड़ेगा, तभी जाकर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो ऑब्वियसली तो ह्यूमन नेचर की मेरा ही सब काम होना चाहिए, ये तो होता है, लेकिन यू शुड कम आउट विद वो अबाव इट. तो आपको थोड़ा और ब्रॉड माइंड होकर सोचना है ताकि वी ऑल ग्रो टुगेदर, वी ऑल कम टुगेदर, वी ऑल प्रॉस्पर टुगेदर. और हमारा अपना मुख्यमंत्री का हाथ और मजबूत करना है, क्योंकि आप लोग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लाइक आई सेड, यू आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पिलर इन द गवर्नेंस, इन द एग्जीक्यूटिव. तो इतना कह के मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेते हुए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू द न्यू एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी हु कम लेटर. एंड आई फील दे विल आल्सो वर्क इन द सेम स्पिरिट इन द लार्जर इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड द स्टेट. और जो आउटगोइंग जितने एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी को भी मैं बहुत बहुत थैंक्स देना चाहूँगा. हमारा जितना भी कुछ इश्यूज है, बिकॉज whenever I met them, I saw the commitment in them, and they lived up to their commitment, which I have interacted with, them in only few occasions. So ये चीज कमिटमेंट आप लोग जो आने वाला का भी होना चाहिए. With this few words, thank you so much. जय हिंद, जय भारत.